All right.
We did it! 5 hours.
Yeah. Almost 5 hours, and
Almost 5
I
hours.
believe that we don't convince some people today. I've been able to convince you and not
I'm not
confuse you.
confusing
You know,
you.
I believe we've been able to convince you people and not look at Frida. Okay, wait, let me see. There's this guy in the chat. They could have given 1
No,
second.
freedom and freeman are two different
Freedom.
things. One is a bingo and one is a human
Now,
being.
Freeman, what I want to talk. Hey, Freeman. We take a Ugo, Bola Freeman. But when he reach Ucheme Forton, leave him. It's his birthday. If it's birthday, he has a family. He's somebody's husband. We take a Freeman. We take a fucking unbelievable, man. It's selective outrage, hypocrisy.
Unbelievable.
It's ridiculous. The selective outrage is ridiculous. A bingo is a bingo. If you're a bingo, you're a bingo. Nnamdi Kanu is the chief bingo. Mefo is the second chief bingo. And then the other rest. How do you treat Freeman, who was listening to these people? You treat him like he's trash. But then the people that led him to behave like that,
to be that
you say, na in birthday.
Because
you say, na in birthday. It's
unfucking
believable.
Even if it's the birthday of Jesus. We know they drag people on Jesus Christ's birthday. So let me use my closing remark to be this.
Absolutely. Go for it.
Bingo na bingo. The level of bingoism in Ali will not be allowed to stand. Why? Because if bingos were just bingos to themselves and their family members, we will not care. It's all you got go in the village. You can do it, and that will be your choice. And if people let you get away with it, that will be on them.
Yep.
The reason why this became a topic that all of us, all well-meaning Igbo people, must choke their mouth is even when we were minding our business, they say because they are sabo. And that labeling, in of itself, the reason why you tell me things like come to the village, come to the east, you will see, it's because you're a terrorist. That terrorism don't enter your brain. Nothing else is there. Okay, Kachi is going to be very pleasant when he does his own closing remark, but I do not respect bingos. I do not think that you are worthy of respect. Because if 2026, of all of the things you could choose, you could even choose to be in the middle of confusion. You can be like Richie Way talk, say, me, I know to know. Even that king don't even admit, say, now only some in know, in go. But you said, by inside bingosm, you must die. Then we must treat you like bingos. Waiting you they do bingo, sit, stand, barf, sit, sharp. Oh yeah, no,
command and control.
Command, which is why they are very used to command and control. If you guys left Igbo people out of it, if innocent Igbo people, it was only in 2026 that children in Nnewi who were born from 2019 and above knew that Monday was a school day. That should make you think. Somebody was sitting here saying, go and ask Harriet Stabman how freedom. Unulecha movie Hollywood. You think this is Hollywood. First of all, you are not in slavery in Nigeria. If you are experiencing any kind of slavery, it is from the generational opium that runs in your family. And at some point, you're going to have to take accountability for that. You are not in any slavery. If you are an Igbo person, you are part of a major group. What that means is that after you, now all these other people where they there, they never even smell call for appointments. Okay? Now, if we're having appointment arguments, seaport arguments, then we can have those arguments. But seaport is no reason why Osu and Lilu were set ablaze. That is not why Murder Valley exists in Osu. The fact that it's international airport as appointments asigi, presidency asigi, that is not the reason why in Imbitolu and Idato North in Ako, they went and they acquired traditional leaders, took their staff of office, hoisted the flag, painted Biafran flags, and you as an Igbo person, by the way, before Kanu existed, before Wazirike existed, before even Onyenka existed, you were Igbo. You have always been Igbo. Ask Kendi Igbo Potara here. You know how we know? Because the three tribes does not say Yoruba, Biafra, and Nkewa. It says Igbo. We were Igbo before, we will be Igbo after. Ndi Igbo niine. Every single one of us that are Igbo, all we want is progress. And in the next part of this thing, hopefully we will have that conversation of what now. But until then, we must take accountability. Somebody must take accountability. The bingos no, we can get to Biafra. It was not your point to Uchemepo is a bingo. If you want to clip this, clip it. Let me say it. He is the capital of the bingo. But if you do not want accountability, if you do not admit that because of something that you were part of for a very long time, that people died from the misinformation, at least you will have to admit that you were on the radio telling people to carry sticks and stones to go and protect their leader when you knew that he wasn't there. There are so many instances. We have our leaders. You guys know how I drag our politicians. Our politicians were there. They were there gaslighting us. We say, politician, and meanwhile, Igbo people like you and I, because there's really no difference between you and that person who died on me, that like some of them, their body parts have not been found. The children of the victims, they are alive today. You have your own parents. So if you're saying that because if Biafra has to take all of us, the Biafran war took too much from Ali Igbo, took too much from the Southeast. It has even turned other people into our perpetual enemies. We have not even healed from that. The spirits of the people who even died from the war, you have not even built a senator for them. And you now say that we must die because Jack, the dog of your leader, died in Umuahia. We say no. We reject it. We will not sit at home. We will no longer want to sit at home. You said that we tried. Okay, we believed. We agreed, said we want Biafra. Now we don't agree again. And Ali will say that our politics is Ochicho Onye Kuche. That is why you have Umuna meeting in your village. I cannot come to your Umuna Umadana. You say you are Republican by nature. You are egalitarian by nature. We are saying we know want. It is not by force. You say that Nigeria is not working. We say, okay, we agree. Why we not join hands? Maybe we go put one leg for inside Nigeria. They talk, say, you don't give us presidency. When you give presidency, you don't go do the work where they involve. You go start starting Biafra. You are losing us time. And we cannot afford to lose time. Because other tribes, you see all those people you're talking about doing enemy, they are partakers in that national cake. And they don't amalgamate us, say they don't amalgamate us. We must get our share in that national cake. I rest my case. Thank you, Kachi, for hosting me and doing this thing with me. I really enjoyed myself. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the gifts.
Absolutely. Thank you, Chioma, for your time today. I appreciate it. And I don't get much to say. Now, just a few jokes, so I did like give dry jokes. Jokes when they enter. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about the Freeman matter. Freeman, next time, I beg, where you come, and well, unfortunately, we're coming to the end of the show, obviously. So the people who are requesting, we can't bring you up at this time. But anyway, Freeman, the next time you come, I beg, tell us, say, na your birthday, so that we'll go warn the people, make them take a easy on you. Because apparently, some people say, if na bingo birthday, make we no talk to the bingo anyhow. So, Freeman, I beg, next time when you come, tell us if now your birthday so that we'll know how we'll address you, because, anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. I appreciate all of you guys for coming.
Thank you.
Make I just shout out a few people and, the